Friends, stop you talking because it's great pleasure for me to talk about Toastmaster Upali Gunawardana at his wedding ceremony. I know that you have enjoyed foods and you are really waiting to enjoy in his speakings also, all of the speeches also, who Upali is. Let me start like this. If you want to become a doctor in one day, and if you lost it by a marginal marks for the selection, what will be the feeling? Upali lost that chance. He wanted to become a doctor, but he lost that opportunity by 360 marks. Where the selection criteria, selection threshold was 365, he couldn't get that marks. Reason behind was he fell in love with his girlfriend those days, Irving. He wanted to become a doctor, but instead of that, he was the conductor during her traveling to the school from the village to city, because he was always looking at boys who are trying to get her attention during that time. He was always looking at her. He didn't have time to read. He didn't have time to study. But he never gave up that love, and finally they made it. He got married with her and blessed with 2 children, one boy and one girl. He's a really, really friendly, loving person. If you ask anything from Upali, he never refuses. He's like a magnet. If you get attached to him, he never get rid away from you because he's such a magnetic person. He's like a magnet, always try to catch people. If you want to get some help from him, he's always willing to help you. Very recently, I asked him, I was in Colombo, I asked him, Upali, I want to drop my wife, but it takes another 2 hours for me to come to Nagara. Without any hesitation, he told me, no worry, I can look after her. I will drop her, because I also know, because he's a person having that conduct ability. He can always guard ladies and also make them comfortable. And also, he's a person always annoying ladies. He tries to make angry even his wife and also other ladies. Ladies also love it. Even my wife sometimes prefers to go with him rather than going with Chaminda, because Chaminda is a competitor always. Such a nice person, but he has never given up his ambitions. Even though he was not in a position to become a doctor, one day, I know with his pretty notions, he will become a person having doctors who will be working under him. Last week, I went to see his business place. I went there were many Melbourne biscuits and Manchi biscuits and also other products in that area. But there are plenty of vehicles in front of his building, or store's building. I went there, he asked me to sit, and he treated me nicely, and I asked him, Upali, I saw many vehicles. Are those vehicles belongs to you? No. No, I said, no, I can't. It can't be. It should be yours. How many vehicles, Upali, you have? He was counting. 1, 2, maybe around 20. I told him, really, really appreciate, Upali, the way that you have developed your life. You are such a determined person, such a devoted person, dedicated person. With your ideas and the notions in your mind, one day you will become a great businessman in this area, like you are doing. I hope Upali will success in his rest of the life with his wife and the family, and also maintain the friendship with all of our Vimba Toastmasters. And it's great pleasure for me to wish you for your happiest wedded life, Upali, at this wedding ceremony. What do you Toastmasters? Wish you very much.
very much, Toastmaster Lawrence, because you inspired me. You let me go around many years ago. Because just I told in my ground drumming session that was my first love. Actually, I was trying 1 year because Mahendra especially knows because he was behind me in the bus. At that time, the one thing I want to tell you that totally full 1 year, she doesn't know that I'm the boyfriend. Something that I had to do. Because that was very nice and your speech gave me the actually inspirational speech. That was very nice, Toastmaster. So,